Wonderful Sunday day. It's been raining here in western Colorado, and I thought I'd come up here. Kind of a thought occurred to me last night when I was reading some physics and chemistry. You know how some of us geeks are, we like that sort of stuff. And I was looking at the possibility of building a cell or a nutrient from inorganic and synthetic vitamins. And the number was really quite surprising because this one chemist and mathematician from Cambridge made the statement that it was 1 chance in 10 to the 465th power. That is like, it isn't going to happen. So I wanted to take this moment to let you know that many of you think that nutrition and health is a theory. And perhaps it's because you've never ever experienced it. And a number of years ago, I had the same thing. It was just too much of a journey for me to do, and I was busy doing something else. But some 15, 20 years ago, I returned to my roots, and I turned my feet and looked at what I was doing, and I decided that it would be a much better thing to be healthy than it would be to be sick. Along with health, you have a lot of energy. And again, most people don't experience that. They're fatigued, they're stressed out, they're emotionally upset. Now, I just want you to know that if we began to look at our bodies in a very serious way, much like I use this bucket frequently, simply because this bucket is deteriorating and it can't do anything about it. And there is a law called the second law of thermodynamics that every part of this bucket is being attacked some 10,000 times a day to totally destroy that. Likewise, the same thing takes place in our cells. Your body is in a war with parts in it, free radical activity, that's trying to destroy it. So the logic would be you need to put the nutrients and the antioxidants into your body that would protect and take care of you. And those are the things that today is a challenge because we see them as a very expensive thing to do, and I would want you to know it's very, very, very cheap to do. These are things that we want to talk about. We want to talk about the emotional side of eating. We want to talk about that wellness, being emotionally set and determined. We want to talk about the physical aspect, those things that I'm enjoying now in my mid-70s. The next part is we want to talk about the spiritual side. And I understand that there are those people out there that think that there is no God, and that there are those that think that they are God, and then everything in between. And the last thing, we really want to discuss this thing called money. Security. These are intricate parts, and they will be on display for you. I will be doing a blog on each and every one of these things, plus a study, just to let you know how financially, how physically, how emotionally, and we'll dabble a little bit in the spiritual side of things, but we want to know that you can do this and save money. Please, join us. And have a nice Sunday.